The international community needs to collectively provide a holistic, practical, sustainable, and comprehensive solution, learning from the lessons of the past and leveraging the strengths of all stakeholders to address these daunting challenges. The immediate priority should be to urgently provide the core necessities, including food, shelter, clean water, child nutrition, healthcare services, education, and cash transfers, while taking appropriate mitigation measures to minimize potential leakages. Nevertheless, humanitarian response alone is not sufficient. There is a need for medium to long-term engagement to promote self-reliance and development beyond immediate humanitarian relief through reconstruction activities. Immediate humanitarian relief is essential to build foundation for stable economic recovery and development.